So right now, there is no doubt most of the Telegram airdrop we have nowadays are time waster and scam and any name you might want to call it. So just imagine after spending a year, 9 months or thereabouts on a Telegram project, at the end of the day you are getting $1 or less than $1 or less than $10. It's not making sense. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this video. So TapSwap disappointed the community after like a year of TapSwap. After listing, if there's any adjective you can use to qualify dust, there was dust everywhere. They disappointed the community. And if you look at the pattern of Telegram airdrop for like 6 or 7 months now, that is just as being their usual practice, not giving value to their community. The question is, for how long will you continue to be like that? If you look at some of these Telegram projects, you have a whole lot of people, millions of people still doing Telegram projects. Meanwhile, there are other airdrops that are actually delivering value to their community. A lot of people are cashing out thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars, depending on how you can actually go all in for this project. So the wisdom is this: why wasting your time on Telegram airdrop giving you dust? Why not focus your attention on airdrop that can pay you far better than Telegram airdrop? So there are a lot of all these projects, AI projects, testnet projects, node projects, there's paying projects that you can start farming now with the potential of giving you thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars. So stop doing Telegram airdrop. It's time wasting, time consuming. It's just a wasted effort. So for those of you who want to do node project, all you need to do first and foremost is to go to Chrome browser, download Miss browser. As you can see from here, that is the logo. So you download Miss browser. Your Miss browser, at the top corner you're going to see extension. You click on extension. When you open it, then you click on the extension again. Then from the extension you're going to locate store. From store you click on from store, then you search for the node project that you want to actually work on. So when you select the node project, for instance, if you're searching for grass, you type in grass, you search for it, then you install. And if you want to access it again, you're going to click this up part. So when you click, then you can now select the node project you want to actually farm, then you can start farming immediately. It's as simple as ABC. For those using laptop or desktop, it's the same process. You just add on to your Chrome extension, then you install the extension, then you start farming immediately. Mind you, testnet and node projects can turn you to a millionaire overnight. This is the benefit of Web3. You get the point I'm making? So if you still insist on farming Telegram airdrop, I think you need this. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel, link in the description of this video. If you want to start farming testnet projects, join my Telegram channel. You're going to see the list of different testnet projects with potential of giving you thousands or hundreds of dollars at the end of farming.